Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create database in XAMPP. So what we need to do is, while we have XAMPP opened, we want to run Apache as well as MySQL. And of course we create databases in MySQL. After we successfully start these modules, we want to go to admin, so you want to click the admin button next to MySQL. If you do so, you should open phpMyAdmin with the whole database, and in order to create a new one, then we can click new over here, and then we will start creating our database. We can click over here on this field to give the name for our database. I'm just gonna name mine as YouTube, and then we can click create. And there we go, we have our database created. Of course it is empty, it doesn't have any tables, so we can start creating tables as well. Let's say this one will be accounts. We can immediately provide number of columns, but later on we can also edit that. So if you want to change, you can click over here, or you can simply type, and then we can click create. Now we need to fill in these fields. At least we need to enter the names of the columns, and we can also choose the type of the column. So we can use the integer, we can use the text, and so on and so forth. We also have a bunch of different options, so you feel free to go through them and select and customize the table as you wish it to be. Once we are done, click save, and we have our first table. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.